Hi! So, you have learned 50 useful English words, but now can you turn those words into a real sentence? Can you turn a sentence into a paragraph? So, today, in just 5 minutes, I'll help you write your first full English paragraph step by step. No big grammar, no difficult rules, just real English you can speak today. So let's get started. First, start with a topic sentence. A topic sentence tells the reader what the paragraph is about. So try this. My daily routine. That's your topic. Now we write a simple sentence to start. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. and get ready for work. Very good, you've started your first paragraph. Now let's add some supporting sentences. Add 3 to 4 short sentences using words from day 3. Use verbs, places, and actions. For example, I check my phone and reply to my messages. I cook a quick meal and wash the dishes. Then I drive to the office and attend a meeting. My boss gives me tasks with a deadline. Tip: use I plus verb plus object like I clean the kitchen or I send an email. Now end the paragraph with a closing sentence. Your last line should close the paragraph. For example, after work, I come home, eat dinner, and go to bed. That's it, a full paragraph. Now, here's the full version of your paragraph. My daily routine: I wake up at 7 a.m. and get ready for work. I check my phone and reply to messages. I cook a quick meal and wash dishes. Then I drive to the office and attend a meeting. My boss gives me a task with a deadline. After work, I come home, eat dinner, and go to bed. Done. Simple, real, and clear. Now it's your turn. Pick a topic, my day or my weekend. Write 5 lines in English. Use the words from day 3. Say it out loud. Comment your paragraph below. And tomorrow we'll learn how to take your paragraph and turn it into a real conversation. So hit subscribe and see you in day 5. Thank you.